we are going to see Standard 6th Social Science History Unit 4 Ancient Cities of Tamilagam book back question and answer. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First question, which of the following region has a city more than 6,500 years old? Answer, Indus Valley. Second, which one of the following is a Tamil city? Answer, Kanjipuram. Third one, which city is not related to the Bay of Bengal? Answer, Kanjipuram. Fourth one, water management system of Tamils are known from dash. Answer, A and B are correct. அதாவது கல்லணை, B வந்து tanks in Kanjipuram. So A and B are correct. Which is not the oldest city among the following ones? Answer, Chennai. Sixth one, which city is related to Keeladi excavation? Answer, Madurai. Next, Roman letter 2, tick the appropriate answer, match the statement with the reason. Statement, goods were imported and exported from the city Pumbugar. Reason, Bay of Bengal was suitable for trading with neighboring countries. So, statement வந்து என்ன அப்படின்னா பூம்புகார் சிட்டியில் இம்போர்ட்டும் பண்ணுறாங்க எக்ஸ்போர்ட்டும் பண்ணுறாங்க. ரீசன் வந்து பே ஆஃப் பெங்கால் வந்து ட்ரேட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு சூட்டபுளாக இருக்குது. ஸோ ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் அண்ட் இட்ஸ் ரீசன் ஆர் கரெக்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட் 2, திருநாவுக்கரசர் செட் கல்வியில் கரையில்லாத. தி ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் ரெஃபர்ஸ் டு த சிட்டி காஞ்சிபுரம். ஹுவான் சுவாங் செட் காஞ்சிபுரம் இஸ் ஒன் அமாங் த 7 scared places of India. C. Kalidasa said Kanjipuram is the best city among the cities. So all are correct answer. Third one, find out the correct statement. So correct statement நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So answer வந்து pearls were exported from Uvari near Korkai. Next 4, find out the wrong statement. Wrong statement வந்து கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். இதில் wrong statement answer என்ன அப்படின்னா கோவலன் அண்ட் கண்ணகி lived in காஞ்சிபுரம். ஸோ கோவலன் அண்ட் கண்ணகி lived in பூம்புகார் தான் வரும். ஸோ காஞ்சிபுரம் அப்படிங்கிறது wrong pair. ஸோ 5th one, find out the correct pair. இதில் இருக்கிற கரெக்ட் பேர் வந்து நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். எது அப்படின்னா சிட்டி ஆஃப் டெம்பிள்ஸ் வந்து காஞ்சிபுரம். ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் த ராங் பேர். இதில் ராங் பேர் வந்து கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஈஸ்டர்ன் சி அகில் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் ராங் பேர். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ரோமன் லெட்டர் 3, ஃபில் இன் த பிளாங்க்ஸ். காஞ்சி கைலாசநாத டெம்பிள் வாஸ் built by dash ராஜா சிம். ஓகே ஆன்சர். Dash is known as the city of temples. Answer, Kanji. Masathuvan means dash. Answer, a big trader. Next Roman letter 4, true or false. First one, cultural relationship with the outside world development in Pumbugar because of its trade relationship with it. Answer, true. Next 2, women also purchased from Allangadi of Madurai without fear. Answer, true. Next 3rd one, many rock cut temples were made during the Pallava period. Answer, false. 4th one, Bodhidharma belonged to Kanjipuram. Answer, true. Roman letter 5, answer in one word. First question, what do you know about the term export? Answer, export means goods and services sold to other countries for foreign currency. Question 2, mention the epic and the Silappadigaram poem you read in the lesson. Answer, epic Silappadigaram and Manimegalai, Sangam literature Pattinapalai. Third question, which is the oldest city in Thondai Nadu? Answer Kanji. Fourth question. Point out any one difference between a village and a city. Answer. The population of a city will be higher than that of a village. Fifth question. Which civilization is associated with the city Lothal? Answer. Indus Valley Civilization. Sixth question. Name the oldest civilization of the world. Answer. Mesopotamian civilization. Next, Roman letter 6. Answer the following. First question. Write a brief note on ancient cities in India. Answer. There are number of ancient cities in India. Let us see a few of them. Jhansi. Jhansi is in the state of Uttar Pradesh. It is the headquarters of Jhansi district. Its original name was Bilwant Nahar. It is well connected with all major towns in Uttar Pradesh by road and railway network. Jhansi has been selected among 98 cities for Smart City initiated by the Government of India. Its nickname is City of Rani Lakshmibai. Jhansi Fort, Government Museum and Rani Mahal are important tourist centers. Padaliputra. It is adjacent to modern day Patna. It was the capital of major powers in ancient India such as the Nanda Empire and Mauryan Empire. Taxila. Taxila or Takshashila was an ancient city. Now it is in Pakistan. It was a center of learning. It is considered to have been one of the earliest universities of the world. Lothal. Lothal is situated on the banks of tributary of Sabarmati River in Gujarat. It was an important trading center in ancient India. A naval dockyard has been discovered in Lothal. It shows the maritime activities of the Indus people. Harappa. In 1921, the archaeologists discovered the city of Harappa. Harappa in Sindhi means buried city. The ruins of Indus Valley civilization are found here. It was a well-planned city. Now it is in Pakistan. Mention the ancient cities of Tamil Nadu. Answer. Pumbugar, Vanji, Kadavur, Kayal, Madurai, Tondai, Mamallapuram, Kanji, Urayur, Tanjavur, Kotkai, Musiri, Tahadur. Third question. Discuss the sources available to know about Tamil cities. Answer. Silappadigaram, Manimegalai and Pattinapalai speak about Pumbugar. The accounts of the Greek historian Megasthenes and Chanakya's Arthasastra speak about Madurai. Poets Kalidasa and Thirunavukarasar mention Kanji in their poems. The Buddhist monk Manimegalai speaks highly of Kanji. Fourth question. Write about the kings who ruled Madurai. Answer. The Pandyas, Cholas and Kalabras ruled Madurai. During the medieval times, later Cholas and later Pandyas ruled Madurai. Then the Nayakas ruled Madurai. Fifth question. Mention the other names of Madurai. Answer. Tunga Nagaram, Sangam Valatha Nagaram, Kudal Nagar. Sixth one. What is the difference between Nalangadi and Allangadi? Answer. Nalangadi is the day market. Allangadi is the evening market. Seventh question. Name the scholars who were born at Kanjipuram. Answer. Dharmabalar, Jodhibalar, Sumati, Bodhidharmar. which is known as the city of lakes. Why? Answer. There are hundreds of lakes in and around the city of Kanji. So Kanji known as the city of lakes. Roman letter 7 Hordes. First question. Write a short note on Iraq. Modern Iraq was called Mesopotamia in ancient period. It was the birthplace of Sumerian civilization. Iraq is watered by two rivers, namely Euphrates and Tigris. It is an important trading center. Pattinapale speaks about the trade relations of Iraq with other countries. Write a paragraph about the city of Pumbugar with a special reference to trade. Pumbugar was a port. Big traders and sea traders had settled down there. Numerous merchants from foreign countries such as Greece and Rome landed at Pumbugar. Brisk sea bound trade took place in Pugar. Foreign traders stayed indefinitely at Pugar. There are evidence of foreign settlements in that town. Write about the accounts given by scholars about Kanji. Answer. Poet Kalidasa says Kanji is the best of the towns. Poet Thirunavukarasar praises Kanji as Kalvil Karailada Kanji. Huanswang has said Kanji can be counted as one among the 7 sacred places like Buttakaya and Sanji. Fourth question. City of temples. Give short notes. Kanji is also known as the temple city. The famous Kailasanatha temple is at Kanchi. There are a large number of cave temples in Kanji. So Kanji is known as the temple city. Fifth question. Kanjipuram was famous for education. Prove this statement. Answer. Several schools were established in great numbers in Kanji. There were Jain Palis and Vigorous. The Chinese travelers Huanswang visited Kanji Kadigai to continue his studies. Tamil poet Jain Thirunavukarasar praises Kanji as Kalvil Karailada Kanji. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.